Welcome to the Eendekuil Fundero. So this is something new I've been wanting to do. So you'll be riding along, it's very bumpy, with me as I commentate on the Eendekuil Fundero. So for those of you that don't know, this is a Fundero. Anyone is welcome with a quad, a motocross bike like that, or a side-by-side on this course to be exact. This is a 50k loop we're doing. And yeah, I haven't ridden bike in a few months' time, so this is the first time I'm riding in a while. Yay! Thank you. Over the bush. Oh, this guy's dragging a whole branch along with him. I'm going this way, stay there. Thank you. Everyone's struggling in the sand, flicking between gears. Where's he going? Oh, he's stuck. I'm falling. Oh no. Okay. This works. Go. More water. It's a big bike. I'm passing you. Thank you. This way. I think. Over all the rocks. There's just tracks everywhere, I don't know which ones are the right ones. Looks like there's a little obstacle. Let's see what's happening here. Cool, I'm going for it. She's stuck. Well, they are stuck. Hello. What are you waiting for? Thank you. Someone got stuck there. And up. Thank you. I'm taking this route, which is I think the right route. I don't know where they're going. There's a big rock. Mud. And sideways uphill. Oops, that was close. Oops. Whiskey throttle. Well caught. That was a close one. He does not seem very comfortable on that bike. Oops, and he stalled. I avoided him. I saw that coming. Oh, that's a lot of smoke. Dude, go straight, go up there. Come on. If you make it, I'll go. Go. Oh, that's a lot of mud. Go. Oh, don't fall off. Oh, no. Sorry, that was funny. He's slipping. Come on, you got it. Do you need help? No, you don't need help. Oh, come on, you got it. Go. Almost. Don't spray me. There's a lot of smoke. What's happening there? Let me help this dude. You good?
Yeah, I'm good.
Cool. This is really muddy. How did that guy end up there? Okay, let's see what we can do. This is really sticky mud.
I'll make you go around.
Wow.
I did the same thing. Well, just give him a pull back in.
You're going up against this bush. Can you not swing the nose there and then go through there? There we go. You good? This is really sticky mud.
Should we get over here?
I've got the bike.
Did you ever do all this?
What must I do? Lift?
Let them pull you.
You want to pull it this way?
1, 2, 3. There you go.
cool. There we go, cool. He's got it. Next is this little kid. Come on. There we go. There we go. Don't drive with your dad. Okay, cool. My turn. Let's see if I can get through this. Well, let me wait for him to get out the way. Mud everywhere. Okay, cool. He's out. My turn. There we go. That was easy. Cool. And I'm away. This glove. You can see it ripped there. I think it was actually on this, what do you call it, Fundero, which I hooked a thorn tree with that hand, and it ripped my glove. Whoa, sideways. That's a sharp corner. I was not expecting. Ooh, I just like this. Ooh, this is really unpleasant. I'm on the right route. Why do I not see more tracks? What? Did I ride wrong? Oh wait, there's a guy. Yeah, they also lost. Everyone is lost. Okay, let's see. Okay, so this is now a scavenger hunt. Okay, so I guess it's this way. Oh, there we go. We're back on track. Ooh, that's rocky. Oops, that was neutral by accident. Are you stopping? Yes, you are. That was a bit of a abrupt halt, but okay. I'll take it. Ooh, there's a lot of rocks here. Yep. I've only seen one other quad bike, or two actually. A few past me, but I wonder where they are. I have no idea how far in the track we are. I don't have a speedo or anything. Ah, there we go. So I guess we 15 k's in? I'm going on the full 15 track, so I'm heading this way. This is the fun section, except for the corners that look sharper than what they are. I really like this. There's a little jump into the corner. Angle. I don't like angle. And there's some people standing. What is here? That's so interesting. Just a tight little section. There we go. Having a nice little braai. Bumpy again. Hey, found some more people. This pole's in my way, sorry. There's no space for me. Oops, that guy fell. Whee! What did he do? What is happening here? Let's see. He's saving it on the GoPro. I'm in neutral. Where are you guys going? Where are you guys going? What are you doing? What are you doing that I'm not aware of? Oh wow, my glove is completely through. I need new gloves. What are you guys doing? Thank you. They're letting me go. This is a really tight section, wow. Oh wow, there's a lot of guys behind me. I'm going left of the sticker and then I must go this way. That was quite a hairpin. Yeah, they said side by sides are welcome, but there where the guy was braaiing, that's very tight for the side by side to go through. Ow. standing in the road, pointing up. Ah, cool. Okay, there's the stick. Where do I go from there? Okay. I can't see any sticks. I'm heading towards his bucky. What? Where? I'm lost. Oh, there's a stick. Okay, found one. There's one. Okay, found it. Oh, there they are. Okay, cool. Now I'm on the right track again. Ah, these are really bumpy section. Ow, that was a hard landing. Okay. Yes, sir, you go ahead and show me the way. Because I have to look. Ow, I can't hit this ruts as hard as he does. I've got 4 wheels hitting the ruts, not just 2. I'm not riding fit anymore. I can actually feel my stomach. My stomach is sore from all the shaking. And my hand. My accelerator hand. Scared me here. Okay, that scared me. Next one. I'm at max speed. Your bike is faster than mine. Okay, over the bush, I guess. That was the only option I had. He's really struggling with sand. Go, 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 go. Wow, thank you for all that sand. Ow. That was a branch in the face. Wow, I'm really getting covered in sand. Where are you going? You're really not enjoying the sand, are you? Go, 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 go. Go, 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 go. Ah. Peg is my way again. That's tight. Or narrow. That's fun section. See? Tight and technical stuff. I can keep up with the guys. Why are you stopping? Don't just stop. Okay, that was not very, thank you, pleasant. You gave me absolutely no room to move there, but I'm in front of you, so thank you. More rocks. Thank you guys. These are all the guys that passed me on the straight. Okay, this is quite a, which way? I hesitated. I should not hesitate. There we go. I made it nonetheless. And more rocks. And more, and whoa, that was close. Nice and loud. Ooh, that did sound nice. I really like that. Ooh, there's a lot of rocks. I did not see that, I would have gone down there. I was so focused on looking at the smaller rocks in front of me, I didn't look at the waterfall that was in front of me. And there's rocks. Another little waterfall. Oh god, that was way too fast down there. But anyway, biker up here. Cool, he's good. And rocks. Okay, well. Oh, come on. That corner is way sharper than I expected. Okay, cool. I made it out. Anyway, go and turn. Jeez. Okay. I'm out. That was really slippery. I braked and the bike just went straight, the bike just slid straight. Wow, these corners are really tight and slippery. So note to self, watch out for sharp. Oh, I must go that way. Watch out for sharp hidden corners. Let me make this corner. Wow, like that. I was saying that as I was saying, watch out for sharp hidden corners like that one. But I was not the only one to miss that, because there was a bunch of other tracks that went straight which I was following instead of following the little pink sticks. This way. I don't see any sticks. I'm going up here. It's easier. And around this. And splash. Well, I'm soaked. Literally soaked. Where am I going? Okay, I'm going up. That's dangerous. And in the dust, you can't see the oncoming guys either. I have my lights on. But still, it's so dangerous. Oncoming biker, be aware. I'm gonna try and drive up here. There you go. Yeah, this is bumpy. I do not actually want to drive up here because I can't see. I'm sure I missed that one as well. That's fence. Well, there was like a heap of wire lying on top there, which I did not want to hit. I don't think I drove right. I think I missed a corner somewhere, because I think I was supposed to somehow take a different corner. But oh well, I'm here now. So yeah, that concludes it. That was the Eendekuil Fundero. If you liked it, if you want to see more, comment below what you'd like to see. And then I can do more of these.